Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Package ham salad in a freezer bag or freezer-safe plastic container. Add extra layers of freezer storage for the ham salad if you are planning on freezing it for a prolonged time. For example, put the ham salad in a freezer bag and then place the freezer bag in a freezer-safe plastic container.
Take our lead.
Prepare some canned ham by turning it into small steaks. Simply slice the ham into small steaks and fry them up. This makes for a fine addition to breakfast and brunch dishes, as it serves as a nice alternative to bacon.
Take our lead.
Can you freeze prepared ham salad? You can freeze it, as long as it's frozen immediately after preparing, but frankly, I don't recommend it. Because this recipe uses mayonnaise, it will most likely separate and not be as appetizing once thawed.
Take our lead.
According to foodsafety.gov, whole, sliced or diced ham can be safely frozen for up to 2 months. The safest way to defrost frozen ham is to place it in the refrigerator. 2 other thawing methods include placing the ham in cold water in an airtight bag or microwaving it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.